Women! Happy Pride! Ako nga pala si Lance Replando, gumaganap bilang Diamond Hernandez, ang trans woman na libero sa Love at First Spike. Hi everyone! Happy Pride Month! My name is Rain Parani. I'll be playing Farah Salcedo at Brixton Hawks, the team captain of the girls volleyball team. Of course, sadly, Emilio's not here.
Hey everyone! Play Janet Aragon, the team captain of the boys volleyball team and a proud member of the LGBT community. Yes!
Happy Pride, everyone! Hello po! My name is Rain Somar and I'm gonna be Olivia sa volleyball team. Kaya, let's go!
I'm Sky Quizon and I play the role of Lucian Ong dito po sa Love at First Spike. Enjoy everyone!
Source, and ako naman po si Bo Gonzalez, and I play the role of Hansman.
Well, of course, welcome no sa cast ng Love at First Spike. Meron lang kaming few questions para sa inyo, guys. So, first is, yung pinaka nakakakilig na ginawa ninyong scene na kahit kayo mismo ay sumasana all.
Para makakasagoy si Rain tsaka si Sean. Let's go. Nakakilig.
Mga eksena kasama si Emilio. Ikaw.
Yes, me too actually. Sadly, wala siya dito. Mas lang po ng second episode yesterday. So sana every Friday, 8 p.m. masubaybayan niyo po ang Love at First Spike.
Yes, thank you so much. Of course, ang pinakamahalagang question ay, bakit kailangan mapanood ang Love at First Spike?
Si Lance.
Sa tingin ko, kailangang mapanood ng everyone ang Love at First Spike dahil sa mainstream media, for the first time, magkakaroon ng isang trans character na hindi sexualized, fetishized, at hindi lang siya token. Kumbaga, may sarili siyang kwento, may sarili siyang boses, at may sarili siyang opinion. So yun, the future is trans Pinay, period.
Grabe yon, ang ganda ng lahat ng shinare nyo at maraming salamat sa inyong time, talent at sa pagpapafall, pagpapakilig sa amin ngayong hapon. Let's give it up one last time for the cast of Love at First Spike!
Ayan, batiin nyo ulit sila na
Everybody, mga Pilipino and everybody here, we love you so much. We hope that we impacted you in a way kasi this series is not only about volleyball, coming of age, and youth, pero of course the LGBTQIA+ community, and to represent all of you, to put the LGBTQIA+ community part of the mainstream. So ayon, every Friday 8 p.m. sa I Want lamang po ay ilalabas.
Kung sa platform mo, wag kayo mo.
Nagpapagkakabag ka sa Love at First Spike. Ayan, every Friday na po yan, 8 p.m. sa I Want.
Baka hindi tayo kasama sa platform.
Sumama ka na to!
Sumama ka na to!
Isa!
Ikaw ano kay?
Kukurutin kita sa singit!
Love at First Spike! Ikaw kasi Love at First Eat ka kasi.
Picture, everyone.
Hindi ko na-intindihan yung mga sinasabi mo. Okay!
Of course, habang tuloy-tuloy ang saya, tandaan natin na ang fun ay mas fun but safe. No? Kaya mga Mars, paki-listen up muna tayo for some super important reminders for prohibited items.